What if you could create stunning cinematic 4K videos in less than 60 seconds without any editing skills? Well, that's exactly what Cynema AI claims to do. In this video, I'll show you what it is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth your money, or just another overhyped AI tool. So, Cynema AI is an all-in-one AI video creation software that lets you turn a keyword, script, or even an image into a professional-looking video. It's designed for beginners, marketers, YouTubers, freelancers, and even agencies. The biggest selling point? You get access to 50-plus AI video engines in one dashboard, without paying monthly subscriptions. First, you get text-to-video creation. Just type your idea, and the AI creates the full video for you. Second, it offers image-to-video technology. Upload any photo or product image and turn it into a cinematic video. Third, it includes an AI script generator, so you don't even need to write scripts yourself. Fourth, you get fast 4K rendering. Your videos are generated in around 60 seconds using cloud servers. And finally, it comes with a commercial license, meaning you can create videos for clients and keep 100% of the profits. Pros: beginner-friendly, fully automated, one-time payment. Cons: some advanced features may require upsells. You still need traffic or clients to make money. And here's the best part. When you grab Cynema AI through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300-plus premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. Right now, Cynema AI is available at a low one-time launch price, but it may increase anytime. So if you're interested, click the link in the description, grab your copy, and don't forget to claim all the bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.